Mag-ilod. Kung naging maestro ka ng kalabaringan, hindi ka pa mag-ilod. Pero, himam, kayang iya, kasing-kasing, nakadahing pagtukduhin bata, nakadahing pagbulig yung bata, nakadahing pagbaguhin kinabuhin bata, himam, nag-ilod yung karangataway ka sa relisyo.
Okay. So yan na, Kuya Shao. Let's
together with the Alumni Association, we would like to present this.
We would like to go on our Mr. President at the Association, Kuya Bobby Encho.
To present this certificate of appreciation, proudly presented to Mrs. Tita V. Sidro in honor of your unwavering dedication, passion, and years of service in shaping young minds. We express our heartfelt gratitude for your outstanding contributions to education. You have not only taught subjects, but have instilled values, nurtured dreams, and guided hearts. Your influence extends beyond the classroom, leaving an indelible mark on all who were fortunate to learn from you. With profound gratitude, we honor your remarkable career and wish you happiness in this new chapter of life. With deepest appreciation. Signed by Bobby L. Encho, AES Alumni Association President, and Sunny C. Diguro, AES Alumni Association Vice President. Dapat masalamat, Ma'am Tita.
Iba talaga pag inakit ang Ma'am Tita. Listuhin ang magbasa.
Bawal ka, Ma'am Tita, ang wrong greyhounds. Dapat.
Ang wrong greyhounds?
Dapat. Bawal lang tayo ang wrong greyhounds. Kami ang paratagan ni Ma'am Tita. Basta ka.
Kami ang paratagan ni Ma'am Tita.
Pinus na, kita nagkakit ka, Ma'am Tita.
Puro kulanay. Di rin pa kumanitawan.
Na-request ang Alumni Association. Kung may batch nga karel maghatag yung message ka, Ma'am Tita. Maybe ko ma'am.
Opo, kung hinatwiling nila maghatag din. Okay. Okay. Now, ang atong mga batch, ang ngatalan ni alumnus, pwede tala ighatag ang atong mga heartfelt gratitude, gifts, and everything kung ano man ang iyo ang iyong pasasalamat kay Ma'am Tita. So, hinahan ang ating gawin.
Katulalay, sobra, dami kasalamat sa manitong tutong.
Damot pa. Yan pa, ang batch 1999! Wow! May 98, 99, may yan pa. Okay. Iba talaga. You're welcome, ma'am. You're welcome. Damo kasalamat. Kaya po naman, personal na magpapasalamat ka, Ma'am Tita. Kay, kung di rin ka nahiya, waray kita din yan na. Hirap mo para maghinaya ka nun, kung di rin ka, Ma'am Tita.
Naawad ako yung pagyakanan na si Ma'am Tita na nagpusto. May mong gawin na English. Ma'am Ruwen na nagpusto pang English. 7 basket.
Ma'am, okay. Opo. So, Shao.
Ano na?
Hinga ng bahala ka ma'am kung ano pa
Ma'am, siyempre, ma'am, ikaw na naman, ikaw, ano yung message para ang past, ang present, and the future of Andrew Elementary School.
Okay.
My respect to our barangay officials, headed by our brother captain, Honorable Wilfredo Castelio. Ando Elementary School Alumni Association, headed by our President, Bobby and Shaw. Teaching force of Ando Elementary School, alumnus of different batches of Ando Elementary School, visitors, good evening. Hindi na kawin na akong pagpasalamat ay na-surprise act. Sa totoo lang, hindi ako maharap. Punta, i-share ko lang iyo. Please allow me to share with you the purpose of having the alumni homecoming. We have two important points. First, you'll celebrate days in order to get along with your elementary classmates. Ask them how they are and how their life going through, and enjoy every moment that have with every activity of this homecoming. Second, you also gathered here in order to fulfill your plans for the welfare of the beloved school, Ando Elementary School, not only gathered here to enjoy, but also think what you can do to Ando Elementary School. You ask yourself, what can you do for your school? It may not be as grand or as extensive as you wish them to be, as long as it can bring help to the school and to the pupils of Ando Elementary School. Okay, so I am honored and grateful to you, my former pupils, for being part of my life while I am in the DepEd family for almost 33 years in teaching Ando Elementary School from June 1992 until December 9, 2024. So, and also I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the organizers, to the officers of Ando Elementary School Alumni Association, and to all batches for having the activity tonight. I hope that you will continue to make this kind of activity successful, because this would serve as a foundation of unity, not only to the present generations of batches, but also to the future generations as well. Thank you so much for your love and support to the teachers of your alma mater. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tonight is a night for you to enjoy. Mabuhay! And once again, good evening.
Ma'am,
Imam, di dalanay, isitay dalanay di ka. May da pa.
Guys,
May da
ba? Nga nasugal. Puro kulanay mo.
Puro kulanay mo. Last na yun, last.
Last na. May da kasi ba, siya kiniklaim. Sila ano ng paborito. So we would like to call on batch 2008.
Okay.
Para hatag ni mga gifts para kan Ma'am Tita.
May da
Batch 2008.
Diri pa lang man. So,
Okay.
kung hinong pa nila,
Kung may patilupin ka 2008, okay lang, tinatanggap ako nun ni Ma'am.
okay. Okay, boy, picture guys. Pwede ka mo magpa-picture, para ng ma'am.
Kan Ma'am Tita, so pa ng English.
Iyak naman, so galhin, parang medyo mamupay-upay na rin taga-English siya na.
Kasi pinadang order, Ma'am Tita manakabay, sarap ko na, nangontis at dati.
Actually,
That? Oh my God! That's what it is, talaga.
talaga naman.
Okay, dami na salamat.
Once again,
2008.
magpapasalamat kita.
Talaga naman. Pero mga naman, kay Kuya ang paborito ng estudyante. Kay Kuya Ibirit ka eh. Ida.
Siguro.
Asan ni natakang flower?
Posible nga ni namin hibubit.
Uy! Huli yung